about to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distraction.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shayna. If you are new here, thank you for joining me. If you are returning to my channel, thank you as well for joining me today. I hope that you're all having a good day today. For me, it is currently Saturday afternoon. This morning, we took a little bit of a drive. It's about an hour away from us to look for some deals. Now, this store in particular is very in demand, I guess, if you want to say. Like, if you're going, you need to get there early in the morning or you're going to face a large crowd. We did not get there so early today. So there was a crowd, which makes things interesting when you have a few children with you. We actually met some family there today. And so we were trying to greet each other and speak with each other and visit kind of like as we shopped. And I just felt like we were getting in the way of some people, but I think everybody felt that way throughout the store just because it was so busy. But the reason it is so busy there is because they have such amazing deals. They have a lot of local products as well as regular general brands that you find in your average supermarket. So everything that we bought today is over here. I estimated the prices. Now when I say estimated what like the prices are, what everything is worth, I went on like the lower spectrum, but everything that I added up should have been approximately $500. I figured it should be $523, like that's the exact price that I came up with, but let's just say $500. And what we ended up spending was $193. So incredible savings. I'm going to just bring the camera on over and I'll show you everything that we found. So I feel a little out of breath just because I quickly unloaded this and put it all here to show you guys. Yeah, this is everything that we found. When we go to this store, we are looking for stock up deals. I will buy a few things here and there. For example, my son asked if we can get Chef Boyardee. This is the typical price in the grocery store. But you know, we went ahead and we grabbed it since we were there. But I don't go looking for like the regular priced items, if that makes sense. I really don't buy a lot of produce since the prices on their produce is similar to what it is locally for us. But I did grab a few things here and there. But this is everything. So just under $200, lots and lots of food, heavy on the meat. So there's an overview and I'll just jump over here and show you what we bought, beginning with the fruit. So here we have some mandarin oranges, 50 cents. Very often those go for $2 in most stores. Unsweetened applesauce, I believe these were 49 cents per can. No, they were 39 cents per can. Some avocado. These, I'm pretty sure they were 69 cents. My husband's favorite apples are Pink Lady apples. So we have plenty of apples in the fridge at the moment, but I went ahead and I grabbed 4 of those since they are his favorites. We needed bananas. Our local Walmart has been out of stock recently. So some bananas. Protein bars, they're low in sugar. And they were just 79 cents. I bought 3 boxes of those. These are new to us, but I saw these Pop-Tarts Simply. They're made with like better ingredients, I think. Let me see. The camera is too far, I can't reach down there, but it reads no high fructose corn syrup. There's no artificial colors or anything like that. So it's like the better option, a treat for, you know, every so often. We have been stocking up and we now have more oatmeal. Best price we have seen yet, $1.49 per box. So I bought 3 boxes of those, and then back there, that's just my spice rack.
That's 4, not 3.
That's 4? My husband said we bought 4 boxes. Yes. Sorry, I almost dropped the camera. We bought 4 boxes of oatmeal. Another treat for the kids. I went ahead and I grabbed this pack of organic juice. It's blueberry raspberry flavor. Sounds like so much fun for them. Fun? No, delicious. 99 cents. This would be probably like $3.69 at our Target. More vitamins just to stock up on. These are within date. Now this store in specific, you will come across items that have just expired. The suggested sale date, but specifically for today's shopping trip, nothing is expired. I'm not against doing that. It really depends on the item. But for example, if you have something frozen that just expired like yesterday, or a week ago, I'm okay to buy that and put it in the freezer. You know it's still going to be good. But everything we bought today is within sale by date. So these vitamins are going to be good for a few months. We will use them before they expire. $1.99. You cannot beat that. We bought this package of gum. I think this is a 10, is this a 10 pack or a 12 pack? 12 pack, 14 pieces in each pack, $2.99. So it depends on the store that you're in, but sometimes these go for that price for just one package. So it's kind of like buy one and get 11 free. Yeah, it's 12 packs. So $2.99 for that whole case. And then we have the bacon. These are quite a few pounds each. It's very heavy. And you guys, $4.99 for that huge thing. So this would be $20 to $25 worth of bacon. Because now, a lot of bacon, like in our local stores, they're not even in pound packages. A lot of them, it's like 8 ounces of bacon for 3 something or 4 something. So lots and lots of bacon. We bought 5 packages and they are double packages. So it's technically 10 packs of bacon, but $4.99 per double package. This whole section is bacon. And then I'll just move up here and show you the hot dogs, 99 cents per package. Long girl hair problems. I'm shedding apparently at the moment. So these hot dogs here, 99 cents per package. These are really good. And these go for $2.28 at our local Walmart. That's been the current price. I've seen them for $2.98 in other stores. But yeah, so go with our lowest price, $2.28. We got them for half the price. So 99 cents per package. We bought 12 packages of those. Here you see the Jimmy Dean breakfast sausages. We grabbed the sausage cage-free egg and cheese croissants. And then I also went ahead, and this was the only box they had left of like the healthier, I guess, version. It is English muffins with egg whites and turkey sausage. So you can see $4.99 per package at our local Walmart. These are currently $12.99 per box. So this would have been $50 for those 4 boxes, but it was only $20 because we bought it at the store that we went to this morning. So amazing, amazing deal on those. I've seen these for like 16 something in some stores. So incredible deal on the breakfast sandwiches. Continuing on with the meat, I'll show you the deli meat that we picked out today. Now when we go to this store, we always divide the meats. So I will divide this into probably 3 portions, at least 2, but I think 3 for the pepperoni. And I will freeze 2 portions and put 1 in the refrigerator. I'll do the same with the salami. And yeah, I think I'll divide the cheese into 2. But you guys get the idea. So we're not going to eat all of that lunch meat in 1 week. I will freeze it, and we're pretty much stocked up on lunch meat now for the month. So here we have the sliced cheese, $2.69 per pound. Really good prices. Sandwich pepperoni for $4.83. Salami was $5.63. Some turkey breast for $3.63. $4.98 for this roast beef. $3.35 for the honey ham. These are like the best prices on lunch meats in our area, even though it is a little bit of a drive. But not only, you know, what you're paying, the quality of their meats is pretty amazing. It's our favorite go-to lunch meat and cheese. It is just the tastiest and the freshest that we've had. Here we have some gravy, turkey gravy, 69 cents per can. This is good until late 21, I believe. Yes, September 13th, 2021. And so we have 2, 4, 6 cans of this turkey gravy. These are both those Chef Boyardee lasagnas. And in this row back here is all Vienna sausages. These were 49 cents. These are $1 at the Dollar Tree, so we saved, you know, half the price there. These are all good. They are within date, but I did notice when I was unpacking them that one of them is dented. Now, my son actually came across these, and he knows that we use them from time to time, and he likes them. So he asked if we could get them, and he handed me a few, and I said, go ahead, son, grab 4 more. So I don't know if he accidentally, like if he grabbed this one that was dented, or if maybe we accidentally dented it, you know, while we were on our way home, or unpacking rather. But there are the Vienna sausages, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cans of those. And then down here we have one lonely can of some chicken soup, and that was 99 cents. As far as expiration dates go, this is expiring the soonest. It expires later in the month, but we'll use them up right away, like over the next few weeks. So these canned tomato soups were from Food Lion originally. We got them for 25 cents a can. So 8 cans of those, really, really good deal. We have more gravy back here. These are all good until late. It's covered a little bit, but you can see they're 20, 21. So we have a few roasted turkey, brown gravy with onions. 8 more jars of gravy right there. Some natural Spanish blend olives. These are very tasty. They were just 49 cents per jar. So 2 of those. It seems I skipped over the Tuna Helper. 49 cents per box. 3 of those. Here is new for us. New York style barbecue sauce. Apple cider vinegar and roasted garlic. That sounds really good. Something Organics. Chef created. Is it Dutch? Let me know if you know. I feel like this is Swedish or Netherlands. Let me know if you know. And then we also bought the Wonder Pepper and Yellow Mustard. I'm going to use this on our wings. That sounds delicious. We have some Blackstrap Molasses. My father actually bought a case of these quite a few years ago. He bought like 10 or 12 of them, and he gave us, I believe, 2. He shared them, you know, with friends and family. But ours last us for years. It was my go-to for my homemade barbecue sauce. But I've been out for a long time. I haven't bought molasses for a very long time. So I was excited to see this. It's the exact brand that we used to use. The exact brand that my father had gifted us a while back. So this was $2.29. And I know this would go for probably at least $15. Maybe more, depending on where you buy it from. Here we have some pure honey. Crystallization is a natural phenomenon. Place the honey jar in warm water and stir until the crystals dissolve. Yeah, honey does not expire. So here it shows ingredients, natural honey. There is nothing else added to this. It is indeed pure honey. It shows it is good until 2021, but this technically would never expire. It is in glass, so the plastic would not degrade or anything like that. But I'm excited to use this for multiple recipes. So $3.99, we bought 2 large jars. Incredible deal there as well. We needed garlic. I let my husband know as we were driving to the store. So this is another one of those items where I think this is about the normal price. You guys can't see it. $4.99. This is what we generally pay, but this is just something that we were out of, and I wanted to make sure that we grabbed it today while we were out. 39 cents per box. We bought 2 boxes of these crackers. These are great to have with any dip, really, like buffalo chicken dip or hummus, avocado, whatever you love. And they're also very good for like family get-togethers, parties. They're cute, they're kind of fancy. We buy similar ones at the Dollar Tree. So 39 cents is a great deal. And they have like the same ones that are at our Dollar Tree or at our local Wegmans for $3. So 39 cents is actually a really good deal. Nearing the end here, my voice is starting to get raspy. While we were in the store, my son said, "Mommy, I'm starving. I really want some red beets." So we were sure to keep our eye out looking for red beets. I saw a tiny glass jar of red beets for $5. And then I found this one. This whole can, 6 pounds of red beets for $2.79. So this week I'm going to make some hard-boiled eggs and fill up a jar with red beets. So red beet eggs with red beets and onions, vinegar, water, sugar. Super easy recipe that'll last for a few weeks in the refrigerator. And then we will also eat up a bunch of these throughout the week. So we got the beets for the baby boy. He's not a baby, he just turned 6. But he really wanted beets, and so we bought them, and we will all enjoy them. Let me know what the average price is for butter where you are, but this is 1 pound for $2.79. That was a great deal. So we went ahead and we bought 2. We haven't had butter for like, baby, how long have we been out of butter for? a long time. He said years. It's been a few months. I've just been making do without it. So we bought 2 of those, 5 pounds. Insanely huge. $1.99 for 5 pounds. That is insane. Like, I don't even have any words for that. It is within date. Amazing price. We don't buy yogurt too often, but I couldn't pass up that deal. So I'm going to put some of this into the freezer and then leave some fresh in the refrigerator. Back here we have one lonely container of conditioner. We actually need shampoo and conditioner. So when I see, I don't know, maybe I should have bought more of these today. But, you know, you might be seeing me stock up on shampoo and conditioner in a future video. Here we have some romaine lettuce, $1.29 per bundle. So I grabbed 2 of those. Back here we have 10 pounds of Philly cheesesteak meat. So it's like strips of steak. We could use this in stir fries and salads and just sandwiches, fajitas, tacos. The possibilities are endless. This box was $10. $10 for 10 pounds of steak meat. It is within date. It is frozen. Incredible deal. Honestly, we would have bought more if they had them, but this was the last box. They probably had more this morning, but that's another example of why you need to get to the store bright and early. Last but not least, we have ready to go chicken. I would have to ask my husband. I'm not sure where these 2 bags are from, but basically it's like a restaurant style bag of chicken. This looks like it's a little spicy. I see peppercorn in there. Breaded chicken. And then I know for sure, because we've bought these in the past, these chicken patties here, it's another restaurant style bag. This is actually White Castle chicken. Funniest thing ever. So this bag was $5. No, these 2 were $5. This one today, I believe, was $7.99. But that is a gigantic amount of chicken. Very heavy. But yes, this one is White Castle. I have to ask my husband what store this one was from because he grabbed this. He grabbed that for us because it was in the last aisle. While we went into the store, I went to the first aisle and he went right to look for the meats since they're usually the quickest to go. I feel like it might look a little less because it's so condensed, but when you actually look at what the items are, $50 of meat, we got it for $20 for those breakfast sandwiches, 99 cents instead of $2.24 per package of hot dogs. Great deal on the lunch meats. 10 pounds of steak. That should have been our local strip steak. Being generous is like $7 a pound. So if you go with the lowest price, this should have been about $70. Crazy. $10 instead of $70. Great deal on the butter and the honey and the molasses. I honestly should have bought more of the molasses. You can see here it's good till 23. I should have bought more of those. Don't know why I didn't. If you've never looked for like a discount store before, just go online and search like scratch and dent stores or food outlets or like bargain grocery outlets or bargain stores. We love to frequent our bread bakery outlet. You could look for like meat outlet or meat market. There's a lot of different names for these types of stores, but you can find them around. But yeah, we definitely should have bought more of that Blackstrap Molasses. I don't know why I didn't, but that is just what called out to us today. That is just what we decided to buy. So let me know if you have a similar store in your area. Let me know if you enjoyed seeing everything that we purchased today. And I thank you again for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you. Pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.